Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the age-old question of deodorant versus perfume. Both deodorants and perfumes have become a staple in many people's daily routine. But what are the differences between the two? And how do you know which one is right for you? Let's find out. Deodorant is primarily designed to control body odor. Body odor can be caused by sweating, and the bacteria that thrive in the warm and moist environment of the underarms can break down the sweat and produce an unpleasant smell. Deodorants work by killing or inhibiting the growth of these odor-causing bacteria. Some deodorants also contain antiperspirant ingredients that reduce sweating, which can help prevent odor. Perfumes, on the other hand, are designed to provide a pleasant fragrance. They can enhance our natural scent or provide a unique aroma that reflects our personality or mood. Perfume contains essential oils, fragrant compounds, and alcohol that evaporates over time, leaving behind the fragrance. Some perfumes also contain fixatives that help the fragrance last longer on the skin. Perfumes can be a form of self-expression and can evoke different emotions and memories. The next thing we should consider is the ingredients in deodorant and perfume. Many traditional deodorants contain aluminum, which has been linked to health concerns such as breast cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Natural deodorants are becoming more popular, and they typically use ingredients such as baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oils to control odor. Perfumes, on the other hand, contain a wide range of ingredients including synthetic fragrances, essential oils, alcohol, and fixatives. Synthetic fragrances can contain a mix of hundreds of different chemicals, some of which can cause allergic reactions or skin irritation. Natural perfume use essential oils derived from plants, which can provide a more subtle and nuanced fragrance. When it comes to application, deodorant and perfume are applied differently. Deodorant is applied directly to the skin in the underarm area, whereas perfume is usually applied to pulse points such as the neck, wrists, or behind the ears. Deodorant is generally used daily, while perfume is more often used for special occasions or when you want to feel extra special. Another factor to consider is the longevity of deodorant versus perfume. Deodorants are designed to provide long-lasting protection against body odor, usually for up to 24 hours. Perfumes, on the other hand, tend to wear off after a few hours depending on the concentration and quality of the fragrance. The price of deodorant and perfume can vary widely depending on the brand, quality, and ingredients. Traditional deodorants and perfumes tend to be more expensive than natural alternatives. However, it's important to consider the value that these products provide, such as their effectiveness, longevity, and fragrance quality. Natural deodorants and perfumes may be more expensive than their traditional counterparts, but they often provide better value in terms of their health benefits and quality of ingredients. The truth is, it depends on your personal needs and preferences. If you're looking to control body odor, deodorant is the way to go. However, if you want to enhance your natural scent or add a pleasant fragrance, perfume is your best bet. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Just remember to choose a product that suits your needs and makes you feel confident and comfortable. Thank you for watching today's video on deodorant versus perfume. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.